Artificial intelligence-powered Shein has become not just a fast fashion leader, but one of the industry's biggest polluters. Although the company has set a goal to reduce carbon emissions by 25% by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050, its AI-driven model is a massive contributor to the increase in pollution. Rapid rise in emissions. In its sustainability report, Shein reported a near doubling of carbon dioxide emissions between 2022 and 2023, reaching 16.7 million metric tons, more than the emissions of 4 coal-fired power plants in a year. This enormous growth comes on the back of huge product volumes. Shein is adding up to 10,000 new items to the site every day and selling around 600,000 products simultaneously at an average price of $10. In the US, Shein sells around 900,000 items daily, a figure that reflects a huge reliance on air travel. Reliance on artificial intelligence plays a central role in Shein's production optimization. The technology allows the company to anticipate demand and minimize waste by adjusting production in real time based on consumer preferences, environmental impact, and working conditions. Shein uses mainly polyester, 76% of its materials, of which only 6% is recycled. Polyester is known to pollute with microplastics, contributing to the destruction of marine ecosystems. In addition, the working conditions of its employees are often criticized. Workers in Shein's factories in China work an average of 75 hours a week with little improvement, despite the company's commitments to improve these practices. Transportation and emissions. Air transportation accounts for 38% of Shein's total emissions. Most products are manufactured in China and shipped by air to customers around the world, with each package delivered individually. In the US, Shein ships 900,000 packages daily, contributing massively to its carbon footprint. The sustainable future? Although Shein is trying to implement sustainable solutions, such as shipping and solar panels, these have only reduced 3% of the company's total emissions by 2023. The company's climate impact remains huge, and without major changes, it is unlikely to meet its ambitious sustainability goals. Conclusion. Shein, like other fast fashion brands, using AI to speed up production, needs to rethink its business model if it wants to reduce its carbon footprint. Without a decrease in production volume and reliance on air transportation, Shein's climate impact will continue to be devastating.